Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So obviously, as you can see, I've got the gestures right now, but I will show you where you can find proper options and how to change them. So let's open the settings first of all. And here in this list, we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Updates. Then let's tap on System Navigation. And let's pretend I've got the buttons. So this is what you will see. Before we will set the gestures, I wanted to draw your attention to the button layout because you can customize it. You can reorder the back button and the recents. So it's up to you if you want to. And to set the gestures, simply tap on this animation. Your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial, and of course you can do it. I don't want to. And instead of the 3 buttons, you've got this line which is responsible for specific gestures. If you want, you can hide this gesture bar. It's totally up to you. And you can customize the sensitivity to back gesture, for example, and digital assistant from Google, etc. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. And if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger. And the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short. Something like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.